first, tell us what it's like to do something that you love and then turn it into a business. What does that feel like to get that first piece of money?
If I could compare it, it's almost like giving birth. You're giving birth to something, to some, in this case, something. And your first sale is like that first milestone in a baby's life. So, you get that first sale, it's the adrenaline rush, you're like, all right, I can do this, it really pushes you to even work harder. And it just, it's almost like it's like a great feeling, not so much when you don't get sales, you don't get the same feeling. But I want to say that very first sale is probably, I think everybody remembers like their very first sale because it's pretty much like a milestone as far as, all right, this is a legit business. I can do this type mentality.
Now, when you don't get that first sale, like you said, and you're starting to feel like, well, maybe this wasn't such a great idea. Maybe I'm not as good as I thought I was, because you've been doing this for over 10 years. So when sales get slow, you're not getting the press coverage that you enjoyed before. How does that feel, and how do you push through that?
Okay. When times are low, I think it can really attack your self-esteem, and you can really begin to doubt yourself. But you kind of have to use that as a way of, all right, looking at the business, all right, what am I not doing that I could possibly be doing? What part that's really the time for you to analyze different pieces of the business to see what's not working. Is my product really what my intended market is? Is that even my intended market? Because I remember when I started, I thought my market was completely different as to what it is now. And it's just a time for you to kind of like, all right, just take a look. Don't take it personal, even though it's hard not to, because this is your creation, this is your baby, but you have to be able to separate. And that's where the creative and the business mindset comes in. What am I now?